Could that comforting bowl of oatmeal you enjoy each morning secretly be a powerful ally in your battle against stubborn belly fat, or is it just another breakfast myth? In this video, we're going to uncover the surprising scientific truth about oatmeal and its genuine impact on belly fat. We'll move beyond the marketing buzz to explore how the unique compounds in oats, particularly soluble fiber, interact with your body's metabolism, satiety signals, and even your gut microbiome to influence abdominal fat storage. You'll gain a crystal clear, evidence-based understanding of oatmeal's real role in weight management and discover how to harness its full potential, compelling you to see your breakfast routine in an entirely new, empowered light. The pervasive presence of belly fat, also known as visceral fat, is far more than just a cosmetic concern. This particular type of fat, stored deep within the abdominal cavity, surrounding organs like the liver, pancreas, and intestines, is metabolically active and significantly increases the risk of serious health issues. We're talking about a higher likelihood of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, certain cancers, and even cognitive decline. It's a silent instigator, churning out inflammatory compounds and disrupting hormone balance. The quest to reduce belly fat is a crucial one, driven by both aesthetic desires and genuine health imperatives. This is where the humble oat enters the conversation, often lauded in health circles, but frequently misunderstood in its precise mechanism of action. It's not a magic bullet, but its scientifically validated properties offer a fascinating interplay with the complex biology of fat storage and metabolic health. Understanding this intricate relationship is key to unlocking its true potential. Oatmeal, derived from oats, Avena sativa, is primarily known for its rich fiber content, particularly a type called beta-glucan. This soluble fiber is the superstar compound responsible for many of oatmeal's purported health benefits. When beta-glucan encounters water in your digestive tract, it forms a viscous, gel-like substance. This gelatinous matrix has several profound effects on your body, and understanding these mechanisms is crucial to grasping how oatmeal can subtly yet effectively influence belly fat. This isn't about direct fat burning, it's about creating an internal environment that is less conducive to fat accumulation, particularly in the abdominal region, and more supportive of overall metabolic balance. One of the most immediate and impactful ways oatmeal influences weight management, including belly fat, is through enhanced satiety and appetite control. When you consume oatmeal, especially steel-cut or old-fashioned oats, the beta-glucan gel expands in your stomach, creating a feeling of fullness that lasts for hours. This isn't just a fleeting sensation, it's a sustained reduction in hunger. The viscosity of the gel also slows down the emptying of your stomach, further prolonging the feeling of satiety. This sustained fullness helps to reduce overall caloric intake throughout the day because you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks or overeat at subsequent meals. Remember, weight loss, including belly fat reduction, fundamentally boils down to a caloric deficit, consuming fewer calories than you burn. By naturally curbing your appetite and preventing mindless snacking, oatmeal acts as a powerful, non-restrictive tool to help you achieve and maintain this deficit. The payoff here is less struggle with cravings and a more effortless path to eating less without feeling deprived. Beyond satiety, beta-glucan plays a critical role in blood sugar regulation. When carbohydrates are digested, they are broken down into glucose, which enters the bloodstream. Rapid spikes in blood sugar, followed by sharp drops, can lead to increased insulin secretion. Chronically high insulin levels are closely linked to insulin resistance, where cells become less responsive to insulin signal, and this often leads to increased fat storage, particularly visceral fat. The viscous gel formed by beta-glucan slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, resulting in a more gradual and sustained rise in blood glucose levels. This smoother response helps to keep insulin levels stable, preventing the sharp peaks and valleys that encourage fat storage. By fostering better insulin sensitivity and glucose control, oatmeal contributes to a metabolic environment that discourages the accumulation of belly fat. This is a subtle yet profound effect, working behind the scenes to optimize your body's fat-burning and fat-storing machinery. The connection between oatmeal and belly fat also extends to the gut microbiome. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, a complex ecosystem that plays a crucial role in metabolism, immunity, and even mood. Beta-glucan, being a soluble fiber, acts as a prebiotic, meaning it feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy and diverse gut microbiome is increasingly recognized for its influence on weight management and body composition. Certain gut bacteria can produce short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, like butyrate when they ferment dietary fiber. These SCFAs have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects, improve gut barrier function, and may even influence satiety hormones and fat metabolism. Some research suggests a link between a healthier gut microbiome and reduced visceral fat. By nurturing your beneficial gut bacteria, oatmeal indirectly supports a more balanced metabolic state that can be less prone to accumulating belly fat. It's a fascinating twist. Your breakfast isn't just nourishing you, it's nourishing the tiny inhabitants within you that are quietly working to keep you lean and healthy. Furthermore, oatmeal's contribution to cholesterol management can also indirectly support overall metabolic health, which is vital in the context of belly fat. High visceral fat is often correlated with unhealthy cholesterol profiles. Beta-glucan has been well documented for its ability to lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels. It does this by binding to bile acids in the digestive tract, which are then excreted from the body. To replenish these bile acids, the liver uses cholesterol from the bloodstream, thereby reducing overall cholesterol levels. While this isn't a direct mechanism for belly fat reduction, improving your lipid profile contributes to overall cardiovascular health and a more robust metabolic state, which is foundational to a body that functions efficiently and is less prone to chronic fat storage. However, here's an important truth, a twist that's often overlooked. Not all oatmeal is created equal, and the way you prepare it matters immensely. Instant oatmeal, often loaded with added sugars, artificial flavorings, and less fiber due to processing, can negate many of these benefits. The rapid digestion of added sugars can lead to blood sugar spikes that counteract the very benefits beta-glucan provides. For optimal belly fat fighting power, choose steel-cut oats or old-fashioned rolled oats. These varieties retain more of their structural integrity and therefore have a lower glycemic index, meaning they release glucose more slowly into your bloodstream. Furthermore, what you add to your oatmeal is critical. Drowning it in brown sugar, maple syrup, or high-calorie, processed toppings can quickly turn a health-promoting meal into a calorie bomb. Instead, opt for natural sweeteners like a few berries, a sprinkle of cinnamon, which also helps with blood sugar, a handful of nuts or seeds for healthy fats and protein, or a dollop of Greek yogurt. These additions enhance flavor and nutritional value without undermining its belly fat reducing potential. The payoff for making these smart choices is a genuinely effective, delicious, and sustainable breakfast. So, while oatmeal isn't a magic wand that melts belly fat overnight, it is a scientifically backed component of a holistic strategy. Its ability to increase satiety, stabilize blood sugar, nourish your gut microbiome, and manage cholesterol all contribute to a metabolic environment that is less prone to visceral fat accumulation and more conducive to healthy weight management. It's about consistency, smart choices, and integrating it into an overall lifestyle that includes a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Embrace the humble oat as a powerful ally in your journey towards a healthier, leaner you. Start your day with purpose, nourish your body from within, and watch as genuine health transforms your future.